So hi there buddies, hope you all are great. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can get 20% off and a free domain absolutely free of cost in Hostinger. So what's the coupon code, how to use it, I will tell you this thing. So for this what you have to do is in the description there is a link. Simply click on the link and you will be redirected to this page. Now from here you have to choose your country, from which country you are. Now click on this claim deal. Offer is valid for all offers in Hostinger. But I will suggest you not to go with the premium plan. It's very basic. Go with the decent one, business or cloud startup plan. Choose the plan that you like. Now here you have to search for your domain that you need for free. Okay. This domain was not available. Okay. .com. I will go with the very popular .com domain. Choose it to 1 year. Now when you say this, there is this 20% off and the domain is absolutely free of cost. Now if your budget is low, then you can consider the 12 months plan also. There also you will get the domain for free and 20% off is there. In just $43 you are getting 12 months of hosting and a $20 domain absolutely free. It's a great deal. Now if you have a good budget, then go with the 48 months plan. You see, if you compare the monthly prices, then you will see in the 48 months plan you will save a lot, and there is this 3 months of extra hosting also, so which will save a lot of money. Now I am to tell you this thing, this offer is not for everyone. This offer is only valid for new users. But if you are not a new user, then also you can claim this offer. How? For this, what you have to do is in the description there is a link. Simply copy that link and go with any other Google account, paste it in the search bar, choose your plan and go for the payment. Now you can also avail this offer. So this is the secret trick. So I hope you like this video. If yes, then you can give this video a like and do subscribe this channel. So that's it. Thank you and bye bye.